A visit to Natchez has to include one of the grand mansions. Today, Southern Gardening is touring the grounds of Monmouth. Entering the grounds, you first encounter the shady courtyard surrounded by mature Natchez crape myrtle and the soothing sound of falling water from the fountain. The herb garden is a treat and is partially hidden by the boxwood hedge. Entering, you're greeted by one of the Monmouth signature angel statues, nestled in a bed of sweet oregano and chives. English thyme displays its delicate flower spikes while spilling over the old brick edging. And you can't miss the Mississippi Medallion winner rosemary waiting to be harvested for this evening's dinner. The main garden path takes us down to an interesting fountain and water feature with lily pads. Continuing around the flowering ligustrum hedge, we find another angelic statue striking a pose amongst red knockout roses. All of the paths meandering around the grounds utilize old mossy bricks as either the walking surface or as edging. I think this adds to the historic feel of Monmouth. Perhaps what I like the most is the ancient pergola that is completely covered in wisteria. This is a popular site for weddings, especially in full bloom. And for the enjoyment of the guests, there is an official croquet pitch, and the rule book is available if needed.
That's illegal.
But the only rule you really need to know is that visiting these historic landscapes is certainly a treat. I'm horticulturist Gary Bachman, and I'll see you next time on Southern Gardening.